What's up guys, Nick here back with another video. So today we'll be unboxing the iPad Pro 4th generation. Okay, now we shall open the box. First thing in the box, we'll see the iPad with a pull tab to remove the iPad from the box. I'll just keep the iPad here while we'll look at the accessories. So we have the guide and some Apple stickers here. We have Type-C to Type-C cable. We have a Type-C brick. Okay, so now we will look at the iPad. So this is the silver color iPad with 128 gigs of storage. Now I have my 3rd generation iPad right here. They both look kind of the same. The front facing cameras are also the same. And now let's look at the other side. So as you can see here, they have changed the camera. They now have a 12 megapixel wide camera and 10 megapixel ultra wide camera, and this is compatible. Both of them are compatible with the same Apple Pencil, the Apple Pencil 2nd generation. Both of them have USB-C chargers. Here, both of them have 4 cameras, 2 at the back, 2 at the front here, and most of the difference is what's in the iPad. So the core for this iPad is a A12X Bionic chip, but the core for this iPad is the A12Z Bionic chip. I don't feel that there's quite a lot of difference between these because the A12X Bionic chip is quite similar to the A12Z Bionic chip. So the only difference you get between these two iPads are that this has a LiDAR scanner while this does not, and this includes a 10 megapixel ultra wide camera. Okay, so now let me set up the laptop, set up the iPad, and we'll get back. I'll get back to you in. Okay, so now I have set up the iPad, and both of them are compatible with the same Apple Pencil. So once you put it here, it will automatically connect. Right. So it will just automatically connect to the iPad. And so I forgot to say that both of these, the cameras are popping out just by a bit over here, just by a fingernail, and this can cause many problems if you don't have a case for your iPad, because then you can scratch the camera way more easily. And I also forgot to say that both of them have the same connectors and are compatible with the same smart folio, but for the new iPad Pro, it is also compatible with the Magic Keyboard, or this one is not compatible with the Magic Keyboard. Thank you for watching. I'll put the links for both the iPads down in the description below, so remember to check them out. Remember to like and subscribe.